Let's shift our focus now to what's happening in the Trinamool Congress. Now, Mamata Banerjee's TMC is witnessing an internal crisis like never before, and this crisis is taking place after their defeat in the recent elections in West Bengal. In just a few days, the party has been shaken by waves of high-profile defections. The latest setback is coming as Mamata Banerjee's close aide, Sudip Bandyopadhyay, met Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav and also aligned himself with the group of rebel MPs. Now, the strength of the rebel group right now is up to 20. We showed you the 19 signatures earlier. Now, this comes as the rebel faction, which is now saying that they have 20 Lok Sabha MPs. They want to form a separate bloc. They are calling themselves the Asli TMC. They're planning to meet Speaker Om Birla tomorrow, that is on Monday, to be a recognized bloc in the parliament itself. And they want to be seated with the BJP-led NDA MPs in parliament. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari, who was expected to meet rebel MPs in the capital today, his meeting has now been cancelled. The TMC currently is facing an organizational turmoil in years, with Mamata Banerjee's camp reduced to just 8 Lok Sabha MPs. And the direct challenge is to the leadership of Mamata Banerjee's nephew in the Lok Sabha, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. The party has now asserted that Mamata Banerjee gave all these leaders key positions. She gave them respect, and now they are repaying her with vitriol. TMC further alleges that Sudip Bandyopadhyay has a track record of shifting loyalties and has been misleading Mamata Banerjee. Let's listen in.
ये सुदीप बनर्जी जो भाजपा में गया तो ये पहले भी दल चेंज करने का, पार्टी चेंज करने का उसका हिस्ट्री है, लेकिन ममता दीदी उसके ऊपर जितना ट्रस्ट, हम लोग तो बार बार बोला था ये ठीक नहीं है, ये सिर्फ ममता दीदी को मिसलीड करके इसका पॉलिटिक्स चलता है.
And like we've been telling you, West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari will not visit the national capital today. His Delhi visit for now is cancelled, and we've accessed more details of what his schedule is looking like. He will leave for Kathi at 4 p.m. today, and then he'll head to Digha in West Bengal, and there he will be visiting the DSD office. So a lot of other administrative work in focus. He will return to his Kathi residence again later today, so no Delhi visit schedule. But yes, Sabyasachi, there was buzz around how Suvendu Adhikari was supposed to be in the capital today. He has been visiting Delhi in the last few days. He did meet a few rebel TMC MPs a few days ago. What changed? Why has there been a change in schedule? What is slated to happen today when it comes to the rebel TMC MPs? What about their movement? Who are they likely to meet? Give us all those updates.
Well, Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari will not be coming to the national capital because of his other commitment as far as the organization program is concerned of the West Bengal Chief Minister. He will be part of it, and that is the reason why he won't be coming to the national capital. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress MPs, some of them are in the national capital, some of them are on the way, like Shayoni Ghosh, Mala Roy. They have reached the Dum airport. They are on their way to the national capital, and sources also tell us that Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar will be landing in the national capital at 4 p.m. today. Now, the sources tell Times Now that these MPs will be gathering today, and they will be holding a dinner meet, but the venue has not been decided. It could be the residence of Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav or Bongo Bhavan here in the national capital, but the leaders, the MPs, will be meeting for dinner, and most likely what the sources tell us that as per their earlier plans, they are scheduled to meet the Lok Sabha Speaker tomorrow to give the letter. Now, with the entrance of Sudip Bandyopadhyay, a lot of things have changed as far as the dissident MPs are concerned, because Sudip Bandyopadhyay, who has been associated with politics for more than 5 decades, have a lot of respect between the MPs as well as the party cadres. Now, with the entry of Sudip Bandyopadhyay, there are certain talks within the MPs that who would be the right person
so
to
what
lead.
Happens to for now, Sabyasachi, for now it's Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar who is leading this breakaway faction. So is there going to be some change in dynamics in the rebel faction as well? Right now the number is 20. The face so far till now has been that of Kakori Ghosh Dastidar. But like you've been mentioning, with the entry of Sudeep Bandyopadhyay into the rebel faction, are there going to be any kind of change in dynamics in the faction itself?
See, the talks have already started within the MPs. In fact, with the entry of Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, and as per the sources, a large role has been played by Shatabdi Roy to convince Sudeep Bandyopadhyay to part of the rebel MPs, because he has been sidelined by the party. He was removed from the party leader, and the new party leader was made Abhishek Banerjee. He was kept aside. There was no connect with former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. But Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, who has been with Mamata Banerjee from a very long time, he has respect of all the MPs. Somewhere the MPs feel that because of his stature and the respect that he has among the MPs, he would be the right person to lead the Trinamool Congress in the parliament, that they would support the ND. And Sudeep Bandyopadhyay also met Union Home Minister Amit Shah, so that also have given a lot of fuel to the speculation. But definitely talks have begun within the MPs as well.
So viewers, take a look at the pictures on your screens. They are from the Dum Dum airport. These are pictures of Shawni Ghosh and Mala Roy, the TMC MPs who are set to be in the capital later today. And yes, the focus is also going to be on talks that are going to take place ahead of tomorrow's meeting with the speaker. With that, let's also tell you about how there are other leaders like Kalyan Banerjee, who was miffed with who was absolutely miffed with Abhishek Banerjee, who came out and made some explosive charges against him. He too now has softened his stance, and he's saying he looks at Abhishek Banerjee as his son. This is the latest coming in.
ये तो वर्किंग कमेटी का मीटिंग था जो सुकेंदु शेखर राय और हमारा आसाम का उन्होंने सुष्मिता उन्होंने रिजाइन किया है सब पोस्ट में। तीन को जो लोग उधर चला गया वो अलग ब्लॉक बनाना रहा है, उसको हटा दिया है वर्किंग कमेटी से। अच्छा, दोनों को आज वर्किंग कमेटी में ऐड किया है। एक सौगत राय को ऐड किया है और वो जो ज्योतिप्रिय मल्लिक को ऐड किया है। सुदीप बंदोपाध्याय।
So far now, there are senior lawyers and also voices in the Trinamool Congress who are pointing at one facet of this entire revolt that has taken place. They are saying that how can the rebels, what mandate do they have? Is there any legality behind how they can go ahead and call themselves a rebel faction or a separate bloc? They are saying the constitution right now does not recognize a separate bloc. This is the argument being put forth. Let's listen into what Abhishek Manu Singhvi has to say. All right, we will play out what Abhishek Manu Singhvi has to say, but like we've been telling you viewers, there are voices coming in from within the Trinamool Congress about the validity of the separate bloc in itself. Abhishek Manu Singhvi says, and also TMC MP Kirti Azad. So let's tell you about the points being put forth by them. They are saying that the so-called Kakoli faction is saying that we will not merge, but we will sit separately. There are two conditions. A political party must merge with another political party, and cumulatively and conjunctively, the legislature party must also have 2/3 of switching. On the contrary, they are directly subject to the anti-defection law, and speaker can and should disqualify them in 5 minutes because they are saying that we are not merging, we are a separate group. Where there is there even a concept of a separate group? There is nothing called as a separate group. So here, there are questions being asked on the validity of the separate group. Can there even be a separate group? That is what Abhishek Manu Singhvi is now asking, and that's the focus that the TMC is currently putting on, the Mamta faction of the TMC. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.